Hello everyone, this is me Subin here. I'm from Nepal. From today I'm gonna post like at least one video on this channel. So it's gonna be about Java programming language. And yes, today basic thing, like I'm gonna start with basic thing. And today what I'm gonna teach you is how to install Java JDK 18 on your Linux Ubuntu Jammy jellyfish soft operating system. For that, you need to press Ctrl, Alternate, and Tab to open your terminal. And what you're gonna do is you just need to type the command sudo apt get install open JDK 18 JDK, and there you go. And you just need to type your password. There you go. So as you know, I've already installed my Java 18 over there, and it tell me to, if I press 0 it will remove, and 4 to upgrade. So yeah, I'm not gonna upgrade or not gonna remove it. So this is how you're gonna install your Java JDK 18 on your Linux Ubuntu Jammy Jellyfish operating system. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys gonna like it.